in a convenience store.
On the 23rd of September 2023, 41-year-old Dwayne Jeremiah was involved in a fight in Surfers Paradise, Gold Coast, Queensland, claiming he was acting in self-defense to protect himself and his partner. Jeremiah was punched in the face by an unknown man in what he described as an unprovoked attack on Orchid Avenue. The incident, which occurred around 9:30 p.m, was captured on CCTV. The footage shows the male approaching Jeremiah, striking him across the face, and then walking into a convenience store. Jeremiah and his partner are seen following the male inside, where a scuffle breaks out. Seconds later, police officers are seen entering the store to intervene.
In a convenience store.
I'm good, bro.
On your stomach.
It's all
On
good,
your
bro.
stomach.
On my stomach, okay. That's fine.
Give me Allah.
Hello?
I just wait.
I was just trying to defend.
Get off.
I was just
Turn around. Put your arms behind your back. Get in there.
It was him. He
Right.
pushed
Right.
Go over there, guys. We got this.
Wait, brother, it's not him, it's the other. It's not him, it's the other person. Yes, he punched
Mate, we're
me.
going to review everything on the cameraman, but right now he's under arrest for public
It's
nuisance.
my partner.
It's going to get you up on your bum, mate.
Jeremiah was subsequently led to a police van, issued a banning notice, and charged with public nuisance.
Holy shit. What happened? That was... Wow, man. I was the screen should have stopped. Some
Yeah, I
dude
saw you
just
swinging,
smashed me, bro. He just come in and swinging, and then my missus come in. I wasn't going to do anything.
Oh, man.
So,
Well, I saw you
instead of-
swinging, buddy. That's why I grabbed you.
yeah, I understand that. My missus come in, and that's when I started swinging, bro. I don't care what happens to me.
All right, relax.
Oh,
So we're just going to put you in the back of this van.
that's cool, bro. I'm happy with that.
Have you got your wallet on you?
I don't have a...
All right, just bear with me, mate. So we're just going to give you a quick search.
If you just, I'm relaxed, I'm fine, bro. I'm not going to resist anything.
All right, good man.
I'm good. Oh, I need a fucking breath. though. I'm glad you boys come in when you did. That was ugly, man. Did you get the other fella though?
Yeah, I got him.
I'm glad, because I'm guessing that looked pretty bad on my
It
half.
looked bad when I went in there, bro.
Yeah. So what started it? Honestly, bro, I have no idea. I really don't. It was just out of the blue, bro. I was just going into the store. Mrs. birthday. I walked in and just poof.
Okay,
And I wasn't going to do anything after that.
Based on your version of events and what some of those bystanders told to me, you're just getting an infringement notice tonight. Okay. So just listen up. This is your...
Am I getting infringement notice?
Yes, you are.
Oh, well, for what?
Public nuisance. Public nuisance. Okay.
Really?
So, mate, we've got zero tolerance down here for violence of any description. And whilst I'm saying, or when I'm saying that you started the fight, you certainly partook in a fight. Okay.
Yeah,
And I
of course I
observed
did.
that, and it's been seen on CCTV footage.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're getting a fine. Okay. It's just a fine.
Really, bro?
There's no points.
Do you
Mate,
really
I've taken.
believe that I should deserve that? Like,
Well, mate, to be honest, I've taken it easy on you. So, by definition, you've committed public nuisance. I could have given you the big ticket. I'm giving you the little ticket. Okay?
in respect to it, bro, I was only defending myself and my missus.
Mate, just be quiet.
Fair enough.
So-
I'm
so-
not
so now
going to argue. I'm not
Cool.
going to...
Cool. Right. Okay, cool, mate. So here you go.
In court, his lawyer, Nicole Conlon, argued that there was no case to answer and insisted her client was defending himself and his partner. She highlighted that the body-worn camera footage supported their version of events, corroborated by civilian witnesses, showing that Jeremiah was the victim of an unprovoked assault. Magistrate Thompson noted that the altercation appeared to happen almost immediately after the initial assault, and that the evidence, in its totality, did not warrant a conviction. Consequently, the public nuisance charge against Mr. Jeremiah was dismissed, and the Queensland Police Service was ordered to pay him $1,500 in costs. Thanks for watching.